Hey everyone, hope you are good. And this is another tutorial to see how we can leverage AI to improve design using Nano Banana. I'm curious to see if we can make high quality thumbnails. This one was made by a designer to make them for all my other videos. Now, first things first, the way I want to do this is give it an example, give it some assets and information and context, and after that be able to go for it. I've opened up Google Gemini here. I'm using the Pro version since I've got a Google Workspace. And one thing that I might want to do is use my knowledge base. There's a knowledge document. Here we go. I'm going to open up this document in its folder. Gmail is actually giving me all of the information. I'll first feed it my context so it knows who I am, what I'm doing, and what my agency is about. Please read this context. Await for my next prompt. Let's give it some engineering first, some context engineering. Additionally, I can also send it my videos. I want to design some thumbnail images for analyze this and wait for my next prompt. Now, one thing I've really learned is that examples are super fire. I'll go to Iman Gatsi, who is someone that's big in the space, or maybe Daniel Dahle, and collect some images that could be really cool. So his thumbnails are pretty good. I'll also add some pictures of myself that will make it a lot easier for the AI to understand what's going on. And to save space, I will only use videos. Oh, here we see Nick Setting showing up, and his videos are also pretty good. It's really cool that if you look for Iman Gadzi, or maybe it's because it's previously watched, he will show up. Now, his are pretty cool, but Mr. Beast has obviously the best thumbnails. Let's use something, great examples. First thing is maybe 11 labs. If I look for 11 labs, I'll use a video of this. So I'll copy the clean link and I'll go to thumbnail grabber, so YouTube thumbnail grabber, and I'll make a little folder for myself. Within Weblyfe University, I have all of the client content. Maybe I'll go into marketing, I'll go into YouTube thumbnails. I'll create a new folder, thumbnail examples, and I'll just save all of the videos into the thumbnail images. Go back to Weblyfe, agency, we'll go to university, then we'll go to marketing, YouTube thumbnail examples. Example 1, there's some more videos that we can add in here. The ones from Nick or other ones that we trust. And I noticed there's a lot of images being used that are already showing a face, showing a person in the video, using specific colors and making sure that they represent what the context is about. There's a few of them, most of them are very interesting, so I'll use this.
What if you could score the perfect music for your next video, film, or game simply by...
This can be just quiet. We'll save all of these images and thumbnails. Example 2, example 3. So these examples are just going to feed the AI, Mr. Beast, to understand what a good thumbnail is. And after that, I'll also add some images of people. So this one we can save image, example 4. And let's add a few more in here. He's got a lot of crazy thumbnails. The ones that I like a lot, copy clean link. I'll just add all of these in here. Another one, example 5. Let's do 2 for Mr. Beast and then do one from Iman Gadzi. Gaji, I think is what he's called. 2 from him, so 1 for this AI. Save image. Example number 6. And let's hit him with another one. And this one is also pretty nice, especially before and after. I think my current one also has a before and after. Example 6, example 7. Here we go. And then let's hit some Nick setting videos. Clean link from here as well. A thumbnail grabber. Shout out to Thumbnail Grabber. It's just a free tool, works without anything else. This is great stuff. We're collecting all of these. One more from Nick. And also maybe look for client testimonial to see how we can do that. Well, I have a few kinds of thumbnails that I want to do, and videos that we want to overview, but also client results. Let's say client results. If we just look for this, or maybe I type in student case study, maybe something like this, student case study. I don't see a lot of the images that I can show. However, we have a lot of wonderful good ones. Now let's take the first video, a sales agent in 20 minutes. Speaking this simple. And I don't know if it can actually really read videos. I will now feed you some examples of good thumbnails. Analyze these two and wait for my next prompt. Now we can add all of our examples 1 through 9, uploading them into Gemini. There we go, very fast. I really like how fast Gemini is. And it's adding everything. I'm very scared because if it works, it's great and this video can continue, it'll be nice. No, I'm not scared. Let's not say that. I'm very confident it will work exactly the way I want to. And that's how we should approach this. I got some Zin pouches. Nicotine is a very good one. I'm ready for the next prompt. Let's add this video. Here's the first video. I want to make a thumbnail. Can you read? And this is just a check to see if it can actually see what the video is about. If not, we'll just pop it into Poppy or a YouTube transcription AI, whatever. Will allow us to pinpoint the core message, formulating thumbnail concepts. It does. I'm focusing on identifying visual elements, grabbing all of the stuff, scrutinizing video content, using video intelligence tools, key moments. So it actually can analyze a lot of the stuff. So it's defining, okay, official video, aspiring to the core message, transformation blueprints, before and after, 2 years, 2 months, the TechWiz mentor, problem solution. Oops, sorry. I want to make a thumbnail for this specific video that I shared before. Here's an image of myself and a screenshot of the process of building the 11. We'll just go over to 11 Labs and open up what it looks to make this AI agent. And I'll also add some pictures of myself. So inside of Gemini, we're going to go into Weblyfe. I can easily make one from the Weblyfe images that I have. So there is a folder Weblyfe. It's a file. It's my Figma file. In this Figma file, we have some images of myself. So here we see some images, and I have some cutouts already of myself, but while it's loading in, I'll use maybe a screen grab from the video as well. And there are some other screen grabs that I can use. Probably one of these would be great. So if I copy as PNG, I can paste it directly in. I don't know if it copied properly. Failed to copy. Copied as PNG. Now we get the success message. So we paste in my image. The title of the video is AI Sales Training Agent Peter the Prospect. Transcript of the video is as follows. And here is the transcript of the video. If I use this YouTube to transcript, here we see there's another thing, get free transcript. It's going to give us this transcript is copied. Perfect. Again, shout out to everyone making free tools. Super. And I'll make a separate video or a separate, let's see, where's the agents creative platform, agents platform. I'll go to agents. Let's turn off these notifications because who wants to hear all these notifications? Yummy pasta, bistro agent, Juliet. Oh, I actually don't see the agent that I built, but it's fine because the content of itself will be this. So I'll use this, and you can also use the 11 Labs logo. I'll say you can also use 11 Labs logo. So here I'll put the transcript, 11 Labs logo, my color palettes, and style guide is also included. Read all of this and analyze it thoroughly. Create a thumbnail image for my video using Nano Banana. I don't know if you need to specify this, but I can definitely go to tools and press create this. Final step is to give it Weblyfe style guide or style guide. It's a lot of style guides, so might as well make it a little bit easier for myself by going to agency, branding, new branding, and then I'll go to Weblyfe site. Just like that. Too much parameters or whatever, but we press enter and we just wait and see what it spits out. And just that, I have created a thumbnail, and this is unbelievable. This is actually a really good thumbnail. It has my brand style guide. It has everything that I want. It's the green and the gold. It has Peter the Prospect even in there. It has a clear, readable thumbnail, and oh my God, the game is finished. Famous finished. So this is probably gonna go in my community. It's also gonna be on YouTube. 15 minutes it took to create something like this using just context engineering. I'm super happy. Guys, are you happy? The future is here. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. I'm going to upload, save this image, put it in my thumbnails, and call this Peter the Prospect. Boom, do that. I'm actually going to make an impromptu video about this and talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.